Hello everybody, welcome again to our course AutoCAD 2020. We're still working on the basics and advanced comments in AutoCAD. Now in this lecture we want to learn a very important comment in AutoCAD, which is X-line comment. Okay, so let's go to the slide of this lecture. This is the slide of this lecture. Why we use X-line? We have 3 points to talk about them: vertical, horizontal, and to draw grids with X-line. So let's go to AutoCAD. If we press X-line on the keyboard and we select, for example, vertical, I can show that I get a line with infinite length. Okay, I can draw lines like this. Okay, also if we press X line on the horizontal, so I can't, for example, do this. Okay, we use X line for many topics. We will show when we need to draw the architectural project, and the next part, the part 2 of this course, we will show how we can and when we use X-line. Very important and helpful comment in AutoCAD. But here, for example, we can draw a system of grid lines very quickly using X-line. For example, I draw this vertical X-line and horizontal X-line. Then I can draw a rectangle like this. Okay, then TR, enter, here, and here, delete, and I can delete this. Okay, then I can put A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a very quick here, because I have objects here, the sum of the X-line doesn't disappear. Okay, so the X-line comment is very important. Also for the X-line, if I type X-line, I can use put angle, for example 45. Okay, so if I have a incline project and we need to put X-line for it to draw, for example, wall, or to draw anything like this, or to put the grids for this project. Okay, for example here 0.2, and I continue with drawing the walls of this project. Okay, so I can do anything that I want with X-line. I can use them for many topics, advanced or disadvanced code. Okay, thank you for listening. We'll continue in the next lecture.